Hi everyone, welcome to day 8 of the Implantation Fertility Yoga Challenge. I'm really happy that you are joining me again, and today we are doing a breathing exercise. So we will be breathing, it's called alternate nostril breathing, and with that breath we want to kind of balance the left side of our body with the right one. And this breath should also promote relaxation, reduce stress, reduce anxiety, and that's all we need in the 2-week wait in our luteal phase when trying to conceive. So just take a seat in any way that is comfortable to you. It can be kneeling, it can be cross-legged, so choose a variation that you feel comfortable in. And once you are ready, before we start, just close your eyes. Leave everything behind. Take a deep breath in. And exhale through the nose. Inhale again. Exhale, let go. Inhale, breathe in. And out. Keep breathing and make sure that your upper body is relaxed, so drop the shoulders away from the ears. It's just a few minutes that you need today in order to support your fertility, your well-being, to quiet your mind. So make sure you're leaving everything behind for these minutes. Everything can wait. And we will take the right hand and place the index finger and the middle finger in between our eyebrows. And you can close the left nostril with your ring finger and take a deep breath in through the right nostril. Inhale. Close it with your thumb. Open the left nostril. Exhale. Inhale again with the left nostril. Close it with the ring finger. Open the right one and exhale. Inhale with the right one. Close it, open the left one and exhale. Breathe in through the left nostril. Close it with the ring finger, open the right one and exhale. And continue with your own breath, your own pace for a few more rounds, maybe doing it a bit slower or faster, whatever works for you in the moment. Slowly finish the round you've been doing. And then you can relax your hand back onto your knees. And slowly come back to a natural breath. A great thing about all the breathing techniques actually is that you have to focus so hard on the breath or on the rhythm that it's really difficult to be thinking about anything. So your mind really gets some rest and it can get quite clear. I really hope that that was the experience you had as well. And even if not, the breath, deep breaths are always beneficial. Just to tell our nervous system that it is okay, that your body is safe, your body is fine, that it is okay for your body to get pregnant, because your body is not in fight or flight mode, it feels secure enough to carry a baby. And to give your reproductive system the priority. Bring your hands, the palms, to touch in front of the heart. And let's finish this practice with a chant of Om together, so we can connect with all of us, with each other that are on the journey as well. Sending love, sending hope, sending good luck to all of you. Breathe in to chant. Om. Namaste. I'm so happy that you joined me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow as well. Don't give up now, it's just few more days left and it's definitely worth it, worth the effort. Enjoy your day. Bye.